Hello guys, we are back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us go through interface design steps, guys. So basically, there are few steps which a developer will follow to finalize a particular design of interface, UI interface. Okay. So basically, let us go through the theoretical parts, and then if anything is needed, we'll be explaining it, guys. Don't worry. So end of interface analysis mark the beginning of the interface design issues, guys. So basically we will also face multiple issues which we'll be discussing in our next lecture, guys. Don't worry about that. Okay, so similarly interface design is a step by step process in which each step may get repeated multiple times. The new step generated contains upgraded qualities that previous step doesn't have. Okay, so basically this is also an iterative process in which new steps will be added as we go. Okay, so the common steps that they follow are initially identify the object, guys. So we'll be identifying the object and its associative operations. So what are the operations that object will be doing? So this is usually done by traversing through the use cases written later. These are elaborated. So basically we are drawing the use cases, right, from in our previous steps. So that use cases you will be using the scenario based use cases I'm talking about. So based on that you will be identifying the flow, like whether the flow is working fine or not. You'll be checking those things. So now categorize these objects. So you got some objects, right, under the following type, like source, application and target objects. So whether it is a source object or whether it is an application object or whether it is a target object. Okay, so transfer the source object into the target object. Hence, in this way, a hard copy of the application is created. So basically, you will be creating some prototypes and hard copies, guys. Okay. Okay. So when all possible objects are identified and their relative operations are defined, then we will be starting the screen layout, guys. So you will be starting from slowly. You will be starting from screen layout. So how you want it. So what are the things that you want? So after that, you will be going through the alternatives. Those are nothing but images, graphs, and everything. Whatever you want to show, you'll be just placing them and you'll be starting your designing. So I hope everyone got some basic idea about this, guys. I also didn't find much theory about this steps, but this topic is an important topic, so I have just written the steps which I have collected. Okay, so in the next lecture we will be going through some issues, guys. I told you, right, we'll be going through some issues. So in the next lecture we'll be discussing about some issues that we face while designing user interface model. Okay, so let us meet in the next lecture. Thank you. Thanks for watching.